Yeah, the lightning here's starting to get worse. Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, I'm gonna head in. I gotta try and get some things taken care of real quick. I guess one of the storm chasers from Michigan Storm Chasers that I'm watching the live stream from is in the culvert area right now, watching the lightning. So, yeah. Come on, don't lose service.
Look, next scan coming in there. Looks like.
Yeah, got stuck. It'll be loading here in like 2 seconds. There it is. It'd be directly over Sturgis and Oxbow area. It doesn't look too incredibly tight, but they're about to cross 31 here near Oxbow, Kings Landing, and Sturgis. Parkman's also there, just west of Naomi, east of Scottdale.
Rain's picked up, but no bad wind so far. The air feels like the air cooled down for a little bit, but now it feels freaking muggy again. Hey, muggy air. This summer, man, either it's been super hot or super muggy or super rainy. Usually when the muggy air clears away, we get more rain. So go figure. Wind's picking up a little bit, but not bad. We're good now. I'm watching. We're good. So look to the, can't really see much because of the tree. Whoa.
Did you see that?
Yep. Lights just flickered. That could have been from a lightning bolt striking something.
Or that's what Sturgis is.
No, because the light on that barn flickered too. We're okay. There's a good chance we may lose power, but we're okay now. I am currently watching. My phone's plugged in. We're alright. Just bear with me. Just bear with me, okay? We're alright, Nat. Just try and stay calm. Yeah, the wind's picking up some. Lord, please be with us. I'm watching, okay? most of the severe lightning right now is to the east. Whoa. Wow. That's insane. I haven't seen intense lightning like this in a while.